how to invest as an entrepreneur. What's good, Wealthbuilderz? It's your boy DeVaughn back again with another video, and today we're talking about how to invest as an entrepreneur, my top 5 ways. So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, real quick, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's talk about the topic on hand, how to invest as an entrepreneur, my top 5 ways. Okay, everybody nowadays talks about becoming an entrepreneur, but a lot of these people don't understand what it actually takes to be an entrepreneur. Okay, you have to actually be investing your money and not just throwing it back into your business. Don't get me wrong, putting money in your business is part of the game, but you need to know that you must invest. And I want to help you, okay, and guide you in the right direction. So with that being said, there are the top 5 things you need to invest in as an entrepreneur. Number 1, real estate. Okay, you should always find a way to invest into real estate. This income stream has historically outperformed most of, if not all, other investing vehicles, okay? If you don't have the capital to buy a home and flip it or anything like that, or maybe buy a home and rent it out, there are a bunch of different ways to invest in real estate as an entrepreneur. I have a video that can help you with that. It's in the description, okay? Number 2, education, okay? Entrepreneurs should always invest in education. You should never ever stop learning. People seem to get out of school and think education should stop, but in reality, this is just the tip of the iceberg, buddy, okay? I know people think that you have to quit college to be an entrepreneur, so you don't have to learn that much or you don't focus on learning, but like I just said, your learning never stops, okay? But you can easily use apps like Udemy to learn new things straight through your phone. So check out the link in the description. I do it all the time. A lot of the courses don't cost more than maybe a little Saturday night dinner, and it can turn into more money. You know what I'm saying? So it's definitely worth your time. Number 3, equipment. All right, entrepreneurs nowadays can literally have a laptop, a smartphone, and Wi-Fi, and you win. But if your equipment, aka laptop or cell phone, is out of date, it can put a slowdown on your growth as a person and as an entrepreneur. There's a link in the description where you can get all that information, you know what I'm saying, and get your equipment up to date, okay? Number 4, marketing and branding. Nowadays, because an entrepreneur can easily build a following on social media, they tend to skip this part. They think that they don't need to use this tool, but in reality, investing in paid marketing can explode your business. It's like putting gasoline on an already burning flame. To learn more about this, how you can invest in marketing, there's a link in the description. All the links is in the description. Check it out. All right, number 5, invest in a team. Okay, no matter how big you aren't, you need a team. You could be one man with your solo entrepreneur, solopreneur, that's how they call it. Or you can be, you know what I'm saying, you can have 2 or 3 people in your company. But you can't do everything yourself, right? So even if they don't know they're a part of your team, you need to build a team. Like for instance, I have a guy that I use for certain SEO tasks and organic traffic on my blog. I use him exclusively because I love his work. And even though he doesn't know it, I actually think of him as being on my team, okay? So you need a solid team of go-to people or go-to guys that help you build your business. I don't care what type of business you're building, you need a team. So there you have it, my top 5 ways to invest as an entrepreneur. If you haven't officially become an entrepreneur yet and you're just thinking about it, then check out the first link in the description to learn my #1 recommended way to build an online business. All right. So thanks for watching my video on how to invest as an entrepreneur. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. It's the Wealth Builders, baby.